Tapping on my window softens the silence of the night. Even the memories I try to forget start to flicker back to life, like an old photograph. Every time those days appear, all the words I never said are still somewhere lingering here. Time keeps moving on, but some things never fade. These nameless feelings inside are gently here to stay. Every time it rains, my heart goes back again to seasons far away, where I still feel the same. Loving you, feeling the tears, knowing what it meant. Even if I let it go, this melody won't end. No matter how the seasons change, I still find myself looking for you. It's not because I'm weak, there's just something I can't lose. Even now it hasn't changed, that warmth inside my chest. No matter where life takes me next, you're still you, just as you were then. Rain tapping on my window, feels like you're here tonight. The things that last forever must feel something like this. Rain sounds like quiet applause, blurring all the city lights. Even though I'm here alone, it doesn't feel like loneliness tonight. Every time it rains, it brings it all back again. Tapping on my window, staying close tonight. If something never fades, maybe that's you.